This video answers the search, how to buy shares of Arjo AB publ. Arjo is a Swedish medical technology company focused on patient handling and mobility solutions. It is listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ARJOB.ST. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document. You will also need to add funds to your account before placing an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ARJOB.ST to find the listing. Confirm you select the Arjo AB publ stock and not a similarly named company to ensure you have the correct asset. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading. Double-check the company details and the ARJOB.ST ticker to confirm this is the correct stock before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Choose the amount you want to invest and select your order type. Review the order summary carefully and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio and watch list. For the example link to eToro and more information, find the link in the description below.